Hi there, thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. This video is something I made to answer a logic magic question that I posted last week. And if you didn't see that, we probably aren't yet part of the Facebook page. So you can go to www.facebook.com/teamlaika. Just like that page para sa susunod na meron ako i-post na exercise or new videos, you can go there and see everything, including all the announcements sa mga review events and other review materials that I'm making available. You can also click subscribe para makita ninyo as soon as a new video posts. There are actually 5 of these Logic Magic questions in line right now, and there are a couple more coming up regarding assumptions. So if you want to see those and if you want to know as soon as those post, please subscribe para malaman nyo agad. Also, you can click here on the left side to watch the entire playlist of all the videos I made since I started this last year, and there are actually a lot of those right now. And if you want to catch up, you can click on the left side to watch the entire playlist, and also you can click on the right side naman if you want to see the entire Logic Magic playlist, because there are also a few of those videos I made I think it was around March when I made those. So if you want to see those, you can click here. Okay, so let's jump right in. This is the first question I posted. There are just a few reminders pala I want to point out. Pagdating sa logic, okay, ang common mistake ng mga tao is that they treat it as a regular question, and that is not true. Kasi pagdating sa logic, the only statements that are true in this world would be the statements na binigay dun sa actual statements. It doesn't matter kung meron kayong kilalang friend na Juan at gusto niya si Robert, or it doesn't matter if common sense dictates it. It's not like that. You just have to base everything that you know off of the statements na binigay sa inyo. So let's read this one. Juan likes action movies. Action stars star in action movies. Robert stars in action movies. Ang options natin, if the statement and the question is, if the statements above are all true, which of the statements below is also true? So letter A, Juan likes Robert. B, Robert likes action movies. Juan is a man. And D, Robert is an action star. Okay. Ayun, tingnan natin yung givens natin dito. Sabi dito, si Juan daw likes action movies. Okay? So may connection si Juan at saka action movies. Okay? The second condition says, action stars star in action movies. So nag-recur yung action movies. Okay? And may connection sila. Si Juan at action movies, action stars at action movies. The third statement says, Robert stars in action movies. Okay? So, may connection din si Robert sa action movies. And Robert actually stars in action movies. Okay? And if you think about it, isa-isahin natin ito. Yan. A common mistake pagdating sa mga logic questions is that people just answer right away. Okay? Without considering all of the options. Ngayon, pagdating sa math questions, ako, kung ano yung unang sagot na tama, na I feel na tama, sinishade ko na agad yun. Okay? Some of you know the last digit rule or the other techniques that I teach. And I do that right away pagdating sa math. I don't even, kunyari, ang feeling ko, ang alam ko, the last digit of the correct answer is 2. At ang letter A, at 2 ang dulo, at yung the rest ay hindi 2. Sinishade ko na agad yung A. I don't even verify it. Pero pagdating sa logic questions, you can't do that. Hindi nyo pwedeng shadean yung unang sagot na feeling nyo tama. You have to go through the entire thing. Kasi sometimes may mga statements na feeling nyo tama na, pero may mas tama pa pala. So, kailangan natin siya daanan lahat. Okay? Ngayon, tingnan natin to. Letter A. Juan likes Robert. Ngayon, tanong. Ano lang ba ang gusto ni Juan? Ano lang yung binigay sa atin? Ang gusto lang ni Juan ay action movies. Does it state in any statement na sumunod that Juan likes action stars, or like one likes people who star in action movies? No. Okay? Ang gusto niya lang ay movies, hindi person. Okay? At si Robert ay tao, action stars are tao, hindi niya na-mention kung gusto niya yan. So, yung one likes Robert, this is actually an assumption. Okay? And medyo, a step further na yan. Kasi, ang pinag-uusapan lang are action movies, hindi yung action star. Ina-assume mo ngayon na dahil gusto niya ng action movies, lahat na ngayon artistang action star gusto niya. That's not always true. Okay? Kasi I know of people na gusto ang genre ng action movies pero they don't like specific action stars. Okay? It's also in this situation, it's also true in real life. Okay? Now, letter B, Robert likes action movies. Ngayon, anong sabi tungkol kay Robert? Anong alam natin about him? Ang sabi, Robert stars in action movies. Does it say in any line here na may preference or may gusto si Robert? May like siya? Okay? So, wala. Ngayon, tanong, pwede ka bang mag-star in action movies nang hindi mo nila like yung action movie? And the answer would be yes. Okay? So, this is also an assumption. If you want an example, something like, if you know Twilight, yung Twilight series, si Robert Pattinson, the lead actor there, openly professed na hindi niya gusto yung pelikula, okay? Hindi niya gusto yung genre, pero still, siya pa rin yung artista doon. So, natrap siya doon for, I think, 4 movies. So, ganun. This is also an assumption. The third one, sabi dito, one is a man. Ngayon, some people actually answered this dun sa when I posted this, and I think the reason why they did that is because one is a boy's name. Okay, one is a man. Plus, one likes action movies, di ba? So they think that it makes sense. Actually, it really does make sense in real life na si Juan ay lalaki. Bakit? Kasi Juan ang pangalan niya at pangalawa, mahilig siya sa action movies. Pero again, that is an assumption. Kasi wala naman yun, hindi yan sinabi dito sa entire statement. Hindi sinabi na lalaki si Juan. Hindi rin natin alam kung, hindi na sinabi na panlalaki yung pangalang Juan. Hindi rin natin masasabi na ang mga lalaki lang ang may gusto ng action movies. Because there are women I know na mahilig sa action movies. Hindi lang yan. Pati sa mga action geared na mga books. So, it's not a man thing. An entirely male thing. Okay, so it's all an assumption. Tignan natin ngayon, Robert is an action star. Okay, so if you look at this, may relationship yung Robert and action movies, kasi Robert stars in action movies. Meron din relationship yung action stars star in action movies. Okay, so if Robert stars in action movies and action stars star in action movies, can we call Robert an action star? That is the next question. Okay, ngayon, this is actually can be founded on fact. Ano ibig sabihin? Pwedeng makikita mo na it is possible in this condition. Ngayon, mas posible ba siya kaysa sa one likes Robert? Okay? The answer would be yes kasi hindi nga minention na gusto ni Juan ng tao o gusto niya ng action stars. Is it better than Robert likes action movies? Yes, kasi wala naman sinabi about the preference ni Robert. Do sa one isa man, is it better? Yes, kasi wala talagang mention at all kung lalaki o babae si Juan. So, ang sagot ko would be, if I pick out the best answer, my answer would be letter D. Robert is an action star. Ngayon, this is not a perfect question. Ngayon, bakit ito ang binigay ko sa inyo una? Kasi there are a few things that I want you to understand. The first thing is that you have to read everything. Okay? Read everything when it comes to logic questions. Kasi isipin niyo, kung tinignan niyo yung one likes Robert, tapos sabi niyo, oh, well, it makes sense. Kasi, mahilig siya sa action movies. Si Robert, artista siya na nag-star siya sa action movies. So, probably gusto siya ni Juan. If you look at this, if you looked at letter A, tapos para sabi niyo, okay, it makes sense, tapos sinade niyo na agad, you'd probably be wrong. Right? Another thing that I want you to learn in this exercise is this, okay? You have to only look at what's in front of you. When it comes to logic questions, huwag niyong isipin yung totoong mundo. Okay? Kasi if you answered one is a man, and ang reason ninyo is kasi nga ang pangalan na one ay panlalaki at ang action movies ay kadalasan gusto ng mga lalaki, then you would make sense in the real world, pero pagdating sa logic question, hindi siya pwede. Bakit? Kasi hindi siya na-mention dun sa mga statements na nauna. So, when it comes to logic questions, don't look anywhere else except for the statements na nandun. Okay? So, there are more of these coming up. Again, click subscribe if you want to know as soon as that posts. Go to www.facebook.com/teamlaika. I'm going to post the next exercises there really soon. I made a series naman on assumptions. So, do sa mga tanong na it can be assumed that, yung mga ganun. I'm posting those really soon, so if you want to participate, you can go there. Click here on the left side to watch the entire playlist ng mga videos that I made from the older channel up until this new channel. And also click right here sa right if you want to watch all the other Logic Magic videos, okay? So thanks and God bless, and I hope you learned something new today. Aja, kaya niyan.